Hello friends, once again welcome back in my YouTube channel and in our series of lectures and news analysis today we are going to deal with a very important issue which is burning in the market and in the news. The news is basically concerned with data released by an SO, National Statistical Office, which is a very important office which releases the data concerned with our economic growth and many other data in that regard. So today we are going to see that recently an SO released a data in which it reflected that the per capita income in our country has been doubled from the level of 2014-15. So in 9 years, this data shows that per capita income of our country has been doubled. So in this video, we will try to elaborate the facts whether this claim or this data is right or wrong, to which extent it proves to be true, and to which extent it is right. And so let's start. So with due respect of you all, I'm going to start my video. Please see the video till the end so that you may be aware of all the facts which I want to deliver you. So let's start. So our question is that we are going to deal with the fact whether our national income or per capita income of our country has been doubled or not. So let's see. Firstly, we will try to analyze what is per capita income. After that, you will be able to understand further aspects. So let's start. What is per capita income? So per capita income basically is your national income divided by your population of your country. Are you getting this? It means your national income. National incomes can be calculated in many ways, like expenditure method, income method. So I will not analyze those aspects here. So I am assuming that you will be knowing that what is your national income. So when you will divide your national income with your whole population of your country, then you will get per capita income. I think now you will be knowing this. Okay, so let's proceed. So data shows that in 2014-15 per capita income was 86,000, but in recent times this data has been reached as the 1,72,000. So you can see here almost 99% hike in the data. It means per capita income has been increased by twofold. So now we are going to look to which extent this is true. So I think you will be knowing GDP. So GDP is concerned with your national income. So GDP is of two types. First is nominal GDP and second is your real GDP. So if you will see at present time our GDP is 3.4 trillion. It is your nominal GDP, right? If you will see your real GDP, it is 2.4 trillion. So you will be thinking that how this both is different. So I will try to give an illustration through which you will be able to understand this. Let's see. For example, there is a company which produce biscuits. For example, price of biscuit of one packet is 5 rupee and it produces 5 packet biscuit per year. It means company produces 25 rupees goods per year. Okay, but later due to inflation, for example, due to inflation, price of per packet biscuit is increased by 2 rupee. It means now the price of biscuit is 7 rupee. So you can understand now 5 packet and 7 rupees, it means 35 rupees. Now the whole production done by company will be 35 rupees. So you can see the production at the same level, the quantity at the same level, but due to increase in the price you can see enhancement in the value. So this is the aspect. So the claim done by NS show that national income per capita income has been doubled is due to inflation. Inflation of our country has been increased leaps and bounds. Due to that reason, the price of the quantities has been increased. That's why this data has been enhanced. As I saw you reflected that how GDP is different in the case to case, in the same way our national income has been increased due to inflation. If your national income has been increased due to inflation, it means per capita income will increase undoubtedly. So, in rejecting this fact, in rejection of these facts, Congress leader Mallikarjun Kharge replied that if we will compare uh, the data in which manner the NSO has released at the time, so we will find the national income has been triple, almost 2.5 times increase during the Congress tenure, because he said that in 2004 per capita income was 24,000, but in 2009 it increased to the level of 86,000. So you can understand how it must increase. It increased to 150%. So I think now you will be knowing this. I think you will be knowing this, that this data is not reflection of reality. Reality is something else. That our inflation has been increased. That's why our this data is showing leaps and bounds. So I think now you'll be able to understand this is not reality. Reality is something else. Due to inflation, the data has been manipulated, and I think in future parties will try to reflect and try to portray these facts for the vote banks. But reality is something else. I think now you will be able to get what I want to deliver you. Very, very thank you. Please do like and subscribe my channel. Very, very thank you to all. Thank you.